this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Dun-dun-dun. Back with another one. Continuation. So this is the Smith&Wesson Big Benji. That's the little Benji. This the big Benji. Let's go. Not go waste your time. Let's get it open. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it compares to the small, to the big, to the blah 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 blah. Okay. Big Benji. I got it right. Did I spell it right? I don't think so. I think I put a G. How do you put a G? Benji. Did I get it right? Big Benji. I did get it right. All right. Part number 1193145. Part number 1193145. Big Benji, little Benji. Let's go. Always recycle. Knives are sharp. So the little Benji came with pocket clip, flippity dipper, lanyard hole, bottle opener. Okay, this is the keychain version, and yeah, you got to kind of put some oomph into it. I haven't loosened up the tab. Pocket clip underneath / money clip. Yeah, it's awesome. It's an awesome little flippity dipper. Okay, I'm not gonna hate on my little Smith&Wesson little Benji. Warning. Sharp edge or point contacting a person or animal may result in cutting, stabbing, puncturing, slicing, or penetrating injury or death. Okay, you've been warned. Be careful when opening, locking, and unlocking, sheathing, using, and sharpening. Discontinue use of any knife where the locking mechanism does not work. Good stuff, Smith&Wesson. Always recycle. And there you go. There's the papa. Big Benji. How you do? Little Benji. Meet Big Benji. Don't get out of hand. Is it me or do the reds look oddly? This one looks like maroon. That red is a deeper red. Don't know if the camera's picking that up. Maybe my eyes are off. But nah. That look like a different red. And I'm gonna prove it to you. God dang, I just had a red one. It didn't go that far. That red matches that red. It just does. Versus the maroon on that one. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, first flip. Okay, lanyards on there. This one feels thicker. Little Benji feels thicker than Big Benji. The flipper tab on that thing, massive. So this is Benji, and this is Big Benji. Says on the back of the knife. Big Benji, and then Benji. Nice. Benji is the size of Big Benji's blade. That is insane. Still have all that handle to go. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna have fun with this one. It's like a liner or frame lock. Nice action every time. Nice and slicey. Look how thin that blade is. how thin it gets. So it's a Tanto blade, Smith&Wesson on the blade right there. Don't know the steel. I wish I did. I could probably look it up online. Got both of these from Amazon. I think this one was like 14 bucks for Big Benji. I think I paid more for Benji than Big Benji. I'm almost certain I did. I think I paid 20 for this one. So the more you play with it, the looser it'll get. Bottle openers, I'm sure, work no problem on both of them. But yeah, schmoody hatchet style. That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of my Fleesa. My Fleesa. My Fleesa. That's what it reminds me of. As far as size wise. Okay. And I think this is Warren Cliffy. Hatchet style. I think Ozark Trail copycatted this. I should probably get it just so I can do a comparison. I mean, the way it sticks out of the handle and everything. Hatchet style, flippery dipper. So that's what that one reminds me of. But it's not about Fleesa right now. Fleesa, whatever the hell. Don't quote me on the name. Big Benji. Scales feel the same. But again, these reds, this is a maroon and this is a red. And you can tell that by the lanyards. So, but I'm gonna put this in rotation. You know it. This feels good in hand. Let me get you a blade measurement. You're looking at 4 inches from tip to flip. 3 1/4 for blade. For the end of the blade right there. No jimping. Nice smooth design. Yeah. Okay, don't want to waste your time. I'm sure this is running on bearings. As soon as you hit that flipper, she pops right up. Haven't even oiled it, nothing. So this one gets caught because it's so small. All right, you got to kind of get your hand out of the way and everything all at once. So, but there is your Smith&Wesson Big Benji and your Little Benji. I would have named it Little Benji. They just named it Benji. But yeah. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.